Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another withdrawal proof of the website I shared with you in the past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos, and let's get started. This is the website I shared with you two times the withdrawal proof of this website. Right now I have this much coin again and I want to withdraw to my faucetpay like a Fura. I just select the Fura and I put my wallet address of the Fura. Just I click withdraw. This will be pay me instantly to my faucetpay, and you can see this will be pay me. And I go to my faucetpay to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. I come down and now you can see I received this much Fura instantly to my faucetpay. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this whole website that I share with you. Thanks for watching guys, and bye bye for now.